Folks, I love my delivery apps Swiggy, Zomato, DoorDash, Grubhub, Uber Eats. For somebody who's living the life on the road and also likes to experiment with many restaurants, delivery apps are, close to our heart. Something that I want to talk about today is trust, because that is what the system of online delivery works upon. Give it a thought, right? It all works on trust. You trust the listing from the restaurant. You trust the delivery agent to be honest and quick and high quality. And you trust the customer to be honest, right? It's a very systemic aspect of the delivery business to be successful, that there is trust amongst all the stakeholders, and the platform is merely connecting all of us. And this is where there is a big threat right now with the coming in of artificial intelligence and the ability to create content, which is awesome for creativity. The malicious intent folks are also having a gala of a time, right? Now it has become easier than ever to create hyper realistic photos of smashed burgers, broken eggs, destroyed cakes. And the whole online delivery system, especially in the food delivery space, is under threat. And that is exactly where Contrails.ai comes in, right? So we have been working on deepfake detection, AIGC labeling for the past 2 years and performing in the wild. Plus, we've also been learning about the problem very closely with leaders at DoorDash, Grubhub, Uber Eats, done multiple panels with them as well. And now we are expanding our service to food delivery apps and really looking to preserve this super awesome service that we all love, and hope that we can contribute in ensuring that there is trust in the system of food delivery, and also ensure that it is done at scale and at a price point where the marketplace is ensuring profit, but the user is not getting impacted a lot. So fraud is going to increase with the coming in of AI. This has been predicted for a while. We are already seeing examples of it. It is equally important to build solutions at scale which are precise and which are also cost effective. And that is exactly what we are doing at Contrails.